Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, confirm battery voltage and safety gear because a safe start prevents damage. Once done, power the Schumacher unit OFF and select the battery type and current. Use 2 for maintenance, higher for fast charging. Make sure clamps are clean and tight, red to positive, black to negative, no paint or loose metal. Do this first to avoid sparks. If connectors on the battery extender differ, align polarity markings before mating to prevent reverse connection. Once the clamps are secure, connect the battery extender to the Schumacher output, matching polarity markings so the extender sees correct voltage. Then select a charging profile. Use bulk for low state of charge, float for maintenance. This controls current and prevents overheating. Start the Schumacher unit and watch indicator LEDs, green for ready, amber for charging. Make sure cables are routed clear of fans and belts and secure them. If the extender has an enable switch, turn it on only after the charger stabilizes. To finish, confirm voltages with a meter. Battery terminal and extender output should be in the expected range, record values. Once satisfied, power Schumacher OFF, then remove clamps, black first, red last, to minimize risk. Stow cables and the extender in a dry place. If the system fails to hold voltage or error LEDs appear, immediately stop and inspect clamps, connector pins, inline fuses, and polarity. A loose clamp or blown fuse is the most common issue. Tighten connections and replace fuses before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.